Here's my
What's up, guys?
vlogging.
Welcome back to another video. Right today, we are here doing a video outside. Me and him doing the video with the little ones.
The cat over here.
Jumug and my little sister.
And we
We have a very conversation, right? We have a very special guest.
and it's
He's doing a YouTube video. He's doing a YouTube video.
Look.
He's doing a YouTube video. He's doing it right now. We're just doing it right now, guys. So we're doing it together. So what are we gonna do?
We're gonna be.
Let's get it.
We're gonna be playing some hide and seek, y'all.
Yeah, hide and seek. Okay, we got some. Okay, the surprise is we're doing hide and seek.
Let me hold the camera. I gotta hold the camera. I'm about to find y'all.
They boy had a crack to pop off.
If I gotta hold the phone for the vlog.
I'm the camera. Like, me and Jim, I'm the camera guy. Okay. So we're about to go do a hide and seek, and then we're going. Come on, let's do a hide and seek. Okay. See you when we get. So subscribe and like a video and do a thumbs up and give us a comment and give us a call video and yeah. Let's start. Okay. So guys, we're about to start bubble gum. So we first we always gotta start bubble gum.
Okay.
We're gonna do bubble gum and then whoever have one feet. And then whoever, if we pick them again, then they'll be it. So he don't wants to be it every time we try to every time he have a one, cause he always don't want to be my
Never be it.
We always gonna be it. If we pick you, you have to be it. But if
Nobody playing bubblegum. Okay, how about we just say 1, 2, 3, not it?
What? Not it. Not it. No, it's a new. No.
You gotta be it for your sister. They can see your sister.
Oh my God. Okay. I love to be it, man. I don't like to be it just like you, Mug. I do like to be it.
Okay, go in the house and count. I'll go over here and.
No, you go. Go. Go to the. Just go.
Go to Lou.
Yo, you go too. Just the only. So it's only going to be one person have to be it.
No, I'm playing Family Tag. We play Family Tag.
Huh?
Let me see your glasses. Let me show you what kind of phone I have. What kind of phone is this? As you can see.
These are my glasses, guys. Y'all already know I'm wearing them right now.
Let me show you what kind of phone I have.
He has the iPhone.
This is not mine. This is the iPhone 7.
Yep.
And guess what phone? Let me show you what phone. Look what phone that she have.
I got the Android. I got an Android, fool. I got an Android. So let's
Drink it.
what we playing now? What we playing? I thought we playing hide and seek. Huh?
Yes.
Okay, I'm it. Come on. I'm gonna count like this. Okay. Okay. Y'all go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I just saw him run over here. Okay, let's go back over here. Okay, guys. We're trying to find JJ and Jumug and Harmony, but I can't find them. I saw Harmony ran over there, cause she runs like very slow, guys. I'm talking like she runs slow, but she don't even run like a little bit slow. But y'all heard that guy? Yeah, I got him. Get them. Get them.